Hello everyone, Stanley here. So today I'm trying to show you how to build this application from scratch. So let's create a new screen, as you know, a new screen, and then you can start with a container. Take a container. Let's put the padding to 0, and then you can play with the width, parent. Okay. Yep. One more thing that I forget. In the app, you can select this, and then you click on the formula. So this is the far color you can put for the primary color, primary text, secondary background. So this is easier for us to manage the color. I will put in the description so you can copy and paste it. Yep. So let's say let's search. Let's put a new container. So this is for the header. Horizontal. Always try to rename your container so the other developer can continue development better. So container home, and then header set 0. Okay, maybe for the height, let's put it 70. So for the container home, you can change the color. So far color dot background. And then for the container header, we can make it as a white. Yep. First of all, try input usually it's a logo and then the text. Okay, let's put 0.5 parent head. Okay, maybe the width 16. Yeah, because this is just a testing, so we will just put any image here. Let's see. Right. So, okay, then we can insert the text. For the size, let's put 26. Bold. And then for the width, we can just make it large. Plan care. Height. Parent height. Okay. There you are for the header. Let's continue for the second. So the second would be the button. So click here, select the container. So always use a container for everything. It will help your life. Container, let's say top button, and then sorry. Yep. Padding, let's remove the padding. And then the width, okay. The height also, we can remove the flexible height, maybe into 70. Okay. I think it's too large, 50. Can insert. Let's use button. One more information for you who didn't have the modern control. You can click the 3 dots, and then you can click the settings, and then you can go to the updates. You can search for the modern, so you can ensure your modern control is turned on. Let's continue. For the container, I will remove the drop shadow. So let's insert text. Okay. variable plan. Yep, maybe let's make it in semicolon. Okay. I want to insert a quick logo. So let me drop here. Icon only. Let's say to a calendar. And then let's see how in fill. Okay, here you are. We just put a color here. So the width, we can reduce it. Let's say 40. Okay, maybe we plan, and then we can add another button. So with the text, add new plan. And then you can select if you want to add some icon here. You can so maybe let's put a few. And then for the width, let's adjust it 150 maybe. Okay, all good. So if I play it, and you plan, perfect. Then the top button. Usually, for the real case, I will rename every component because that would be better for another developer to continue our development. So after that, let's put container. So this one is gallery. Oops. We should in the container home gallery. Yep. Gallery. For the width, I will take it from the container top button. So container top button dot width. We can remove the padding, remove the flexible height. So insert container again. So this should be the gallery header. Okay, again remove these. Let's say for the height, let's just put 40. And then remove the drop shadow. We can insert text. Okay. The height, we can just do parent.height. For the width, you can try using a flexible width and then put in the fill quotient tool. I will let you know what. Yep, just copy and paste, paste, paste. Oops. Let's put it in the middle, vertical line. Okay. So this one would be text. Let's put the font color, color dot primary text. Okay, let's make it bold. Semi bold, I think. Shine. Then for the next one, we can insert a gallery. Let's say it's a practical gallery. You can select the plan management task. Just a quick one while waiting for loading. Actually, I already have the SharePoint. So it's a title, the sunlight, the date, the image, and the watering date. So yep, add an item. Again, I will use a container again. Because with container it's easier to adjust and we can ensure it is the same size everywhere. Again, gallery should put a name, gallery plan list. Let me adjust the size, width, parent width, and then the height. Gallery plan list dot template. Okay. Then you can set this the template padding 0. You can adjust the size, template size. Let's say just put 45. Too small, 50. Let's for the container gallery. Initially just put a flexible height first. Flexible height, so we can see everything here. And then you click again to the container inside the gallery. Let's remove the drop shadow, known 0. Okay. Now we can insert the text. So let's vertical align middle, the height, parent height, and then for the width, you can play around. I change the color first. So it's let's say semi bold. Let's just put a regular. For the color, let's put black. Okay. Then flexible width, you can put the fill portion is 2. So then Control C, Control V, just paste for time. Then we change the value text this item dot title. This item dot sunlight. This item dot what? Dot. Yep. Oh, maybe one more thing. So for this one, we can put a white color. That will be better, I think. Let's put a white. Yeah. There you are. Okay. So we're good. Then for the container button, Yep, then we can just continue. So let's say I will just copy from this one, Control C, and then Control V. So you click top button, this one, Control C. You click the container home, Control V. Yep, for this one, I don't need another button. So this one, I will just put a plan images. Again, you can change whatever you want with the logo. So let's put another gallery, but this time let's use the image. So let's create a new gallery, new container, sorry, new container first. And again, please rename it container middle section container. Okay, let's put the width align with the container top button. Container top button dot width. So this container top button came from here. Container top button 0 0. Okay. Now we can play with let's say we want to insert gallery. Horizontal gallery. Put this again. Okay. Again, in the gallery, insert an image. Sorry, insert a container. So it'll be vertical. Yep. Set padding 0. Y to 0. So in the container plain picture, so if you see there's kind of the border. So plain picture, you can remove the drop shadow. And then the gallery for rename it gallery picture. The container, that's just the height. Parent height. For the width. Gallery plain template width. So it's following the gallery width. And then here we can adjust again, padding to 0. Then the template size. Let's put 300. Let's try 300. Okay, I think it's okay. 300. 350. Yeah, I think 350. And then we can insert with the image. Okay, then we can just so it fill the whole container parent, and we can for the highlights make it flexible. Okay. And then we can insert the text. So let's put everything on the left side. So for the text, we can put, let's say, 16. Yep. And then maybe just align it 40. So we can change it this item dot title, the plan name, semi-bold, this item. So we can change watering on this item dot we can change the color, font color. Okay. Yep. For the image, we can just simply thing is image this item dot plan image. Okay, we can choose a tile, so it's a full. So right now it's kind of like we need a space. We can put a white color. Okay, it's there. Right now let's play with this space. So width, let's say -50. Okay, there you are. Then this one, the under the scroll bar, we can just remove it, so make it better. Okay. And then for this height, let's see if we can change it. Flexible height. Yep, let's just play with this 400. Okay, too tall. Let's say 340. Okay, exactly. So yeah, here you are. Usually I would prefer to try to do everything in a container and then we can get a very nice, you can see a very nice thing. That's all. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment. I will try to answer as much as I can. Thank you all. See you.